Exterior Remodeling. Just want to do a quick educational video here on composite decking and the difference between the different style boards. You can see this board has a groove in it. This groove is for a hidden fastener system in between your joints. That allows you to not have to put nails in your actual composite decking. Much cleaner, much better install, but that's for the groove. This is for the field part of your deck. This is a non-grooved, so this is what you consider a fascia board, which is your perimeter board around your decking. This fine detail allows you to not have to see any type of groove system on the outer edge of the deck. So this is your perimeter, this is your field decking. Craftsman Exterior Remodeling, thank you.